This episode was made in partnership with the Q Studios, where content comes to life. The Q Studios is a creative production space built for creators, brands, entrepreneurs, and teams who want high-quality content without the hassle. From podcasts and photo shoots to events and full-scale productions, they provide the space, equipment, and support to make every project seamless. Ready to create? Book a session and experience the Q Studios for yourself. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nanor, and welcome to the live show of Pusuan or Laruan! Woo!
Ikaw na yata akong napupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuloyan. Ikaw ang napupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong napupusuan. Di akalayong magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang napupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woohoo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo masyadong type or hindi kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Yeah. How about our audience? Are you ready? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Woo! Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Wow!
Hello.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
I am Veni, or like Denise Alo.
Veni or Denise?
For short, Alosia.
Alo.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And how old are you?
22.
22.
And kaka-birthday ko lang nung
Oh,
April.
happy birthday. Oh, April ka rin. I'm April too.
April
Okay.
29.
Oh, okay. Ako April 10. Anyway, more about you. So, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm a tourism student and gagraduate pa lang ako this coming June. And then I applied to some airlines. Then
Okay.
eventually I got accepted and now I'm a flight attendant.
Oh, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so when you're not up in the sky, anong mga hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
More likely, I'm a sponty person. Like, you could say na, where are you right now? I'm right here, ganito. Then, andun na ako bigla. Like,
Okay.
magta-teleport.
Agad-agad.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I really I'm not a fan of like staying at home, but I'm more likely, pwede. Ganon.
So talagang laging traveling ka or sponty adventures?
Yeah, I feel more relaxed at the
Okay.
same time and feel ko, I'm more like alive na pag nasa labas ako.
Okay, anong adventures yung saan ka kinakaladkad ng friends mo, basically? Or favorite mo na mga sponty adventures?
When I was in high school kasi, pumunta kami like, I'm from Calamba.
Okay. Did you travel all the way from Calamba to here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow!
Yeah. But
Well, thanks for coming. Okay.
But I'm in Pasay kanina
Okay,
since
okay.
I have work. High school days, syempre wala pa akong anything and parents
Yeah,
are strict.
right.
And then, sabi nila, tara Baguio. Sige, punta ako.
Baguio,
Yeah.
okay.
I went to Baguio right after my class.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So, ganun ka ka-spontaneous?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so that's something you can expect from her. So, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Someone who could understand me. Someone who could feel na I'm welcome, who's more likely interested na, let's say, madaldal naman talaga.
Okay.
And everything. So, if I'm madaldal and hindi ka okay, like 80-20, it's alright. As long as you're giving, the benefit na deserve ko to. The love. Yes.
Alright. Sa physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Tall.
Okay. Yun lang. Yun na yung pinaka-requirement.
Hindi
Tall.
naman. Not necessarily
Wait lang
kasi-
ha. Naka-stage naman tayo ngayon, boys. So,
Sorry na. Hindi, I dated this, hindi ko ka-height, but then hindi lang kami nag-work just because of his attitude.
okay. So, hindi naman dahil dun sa difference. Ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
I accept guys who's shorter than me, taller than me.
So, short kings are welcome?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So, ano naman mga deal breakers mo?
insensitive in their actions and their words. Kasi you're dealing with me, of course. So how come hindi mo ko maiisip in your actions or like your decisions? With my experience, okay lang naman sa akin may girl best friend. It's just that, know the boundaries as well.
Talagang okay sa'yo my girl best friend. Medyo hindi ka na suspicious or something na
I know something
may
is
abangers
up.
club yung isa dyan. Ganun.
Hindi, naman, I trust the person.
Okay.
If hindi ka totoo sa akin, then I'll be back off na lang.
Alright.
Kumbaga, I know myself, I know my worth.
Guys, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Oh my gosh. right now?
No pressure, no pressure.
Gusto mo ba, kuya?
Huwag mo silang tanongin. Dapat ikaw mag-decide. Go ahead.
Kuya, sorry, no?
Okay, and... wala eh, wag daw siya. Okay, and one more.
One more.
Hi, so introduce mo muna yung sarili mo. Hi, so what's your name, age, and job?
My name is Hiro Jin and my age is 24. I'm currently working in BPO as a quality analyst.
So bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Nung una kasi feeling ko hesitant siya sa akin. But then naisip ko, sige, pag-isipan ko. Pero parang, sige, pop ko na lang. So sa isip ko na lang, sige, it's not the right time for us pa.
So dahil hesitant yung vibe niya,
Oo.
tama ba siya doon? Hesitant ka ba?
Medyo kasi yung height kasi I preferred shorter than me. Parang ano siya eh. Nandito lang ako sa baba, tapos siya ang taas niya. Oo.
Hindi naman.
Dahil ba sa height or sa personality?
Siguro sa personality. Siguro magmamatch lang kami kasi I'm sponty type of person. Siguro pwede kami maging friends kasi mahilig din ako mag-rides. I ride motorcycle. Ayun. Parang binigyan niya lang din ako ng pabor kasi hesitant din ako kanina.
Talaga, hindi ka nagpa-pop kanina eh. Joke. Okay, so set ka na din sa decision mo, hindi ka nagpapabalik ng balloon. Alright, well, thank you so much.
I'm Dij, 24, working as content strategist.
So bakit mo siya napiling i-pop?
More likely same din. I feel na kapag hesitant kasi yung tao sa akin, parang how can we go on other level kung hesitant ka in the first place? I want someone who's sure about with me, with his
Dapat confident ba yung stance
Yes.
nila, yung tingin sa'yo, gano'n?
Yes.
Okay, tama ba siya doon? Naging hesitant ka ba?
Yes, I agree with you.
Na?
Na-hesitant din siya.
Siya or ikaw? Siya? Ikaw ba? Akala ko siya.
siya.
Hala, sino ba guys? Wait. Pero ikaw, hesitant ka ba sa kanya?
Yes, kasi una ko nasabi niya, she likes taller guys. And ayun, medyo magka-height lang naman kami.
Nakahils ako, be.
Ay. Ayun, that's all.
So, hindi mo din siya type?
Type ko naman siya dahil sa sinagot niya lang. Ayun.
So, set ka na din doon, siya yung ipapop mo?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, thank you so much. This time, magtatanong ka naman ng isang question to help get to know them better. Okay, so, what's your question for our lineup?
What are your goals in life? And if na-achieve mo siya, ano pa bang gusto mo ma-achieve pa since na-achieve mo na yung isa?
Okay, let's start. Uy! Hala, bawal magtanong? Okay, so bago ko sila isa-isahin, join us over here first. Nagkamali ka yata sa question mo.
I'm Rafael, 23, video editor.
Okay, so bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Na-pressure ako sa
Hala, bakit?
Hindi ko rin alam yung plano ko sa buhay.
Oo. Tapos, nag-pop ka na agad.
At saka yung kanina sabi niya kasi flight attendant siya. Ayoko kasi sa aeroplano.
Hindi naman niya sinabing ikaw sasakay doon.
Kasi baka sama niya ako.
Ay,
Assuming
no.
mo na joke.
Hindi kasi di ba free privilege na yun, no?
Yeah,
Asawa
oo.
mo na, libre na.
Oo.
Ganun.
Ayoko po nahihilo ako sa aeroplano.
Ayun
Hindi ka
lang.
naman pinipili. So, dahil sa job niya mostly,
Opo. Noong una pa lang inisip ko na eh. Sabi ko, sasakay ba ako sa aeroplano? Baka hindi.
ay, baka hindi na. Any comments sa lahat ng sinabi niya?
Okay lang siguro. Whatever makes you happy, go with that.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Pasok sana sa height eh, no?
Yeah.
Oh, sure ka na ba doon?
Ayoko talaga sa aeroplano.
Maano ko na to eh. Hindi, pero type mo siya kung hindi yun yung job niya.
Sakto lang. Pero nangingibabaw kasi yung job niya eh.
Sino sa taas? Okay, sige, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Alright, so let's get back to your question. Or refresh mo na lang for them.
Anong goal niyo sa life? And if na-achieve niyo na siya, ano pang ibang goal niyo gusto ma-achieve?
Hi, I'm John Ray Casilaw, 21. I'm working at Viva Artist Agency. Ang goal ko lang sa life is magkaroon ng isang stable business. Ayun, maging lang ng knowledge na hindi ko pa alam.
I'm Clarence, 25 years old, and working as a engineer. To become a successful engineer, I wanted to start a business.
Hi, my name is Efren. I am 24 years old, and I am a video editor and inspiring content creator, I guess.
Do you have an accent? Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand. To be honest, you don't really want to talk to me about dreams because I have one of the most biggest aspirations in life. Yeah, I want to be an Oscar-winning director. I'm actually here in the Philippines trying to chase that. I left my job and now I'm here trying to make some videos and trying to create some audience.
Hi, I'm Jonas. I'm 24 and actually fresh grad, so still looking for a job. Grabe na kaya kasunod ko siya kasi basic lang yung dream ko or ambition. Basically, sorry, sobrang basic talaga eh.
Don't compare yourself. Oh, go.
Gusto ko lang maging masaya, maging kontento. Hindi kasi okay lang naman ako hindi maging mayaman basta naglo-look forward pa rin ako sa kinabukasan. Parang gano'n.
Jang, 25, seaman po. Makapagpatayo ako ng sarili kong motor shop. It was my dream when I was a kid.
Okay, so you heard their answers. So now I'd like you to choose 2 more balloons to pop based on what you just heard. Ano yun? Kaya mo yan.
Sorry na agad.
Oh, and 1 more. So bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
He's more like hesitant din sa pagsasalita niya. Then feel ko kasi may hinahanap siya but then hindi niya ma-point out. I want someone na straightforward. If hindi, parang you could take saglit lang muna. I would think. Ganon. Ayoko nung magsasagot ka agad then hindi ka decided. So more likely indecisive.
Okay. Tama ba siya doon? Are you indecisive or hesitant?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for being so honest. Do you have any defense to yourself or wala? Yung ka talaga?
Wala na po akong masabi.
Okay, but if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Oo naman, kasi for me, he looks good, attractive, maganda yung teeth niya. So I feel attractive siya sa akin.
Okay. Okay, so bakit siyang isa mo pang na-pop?
Ganun din kasi eh. Gusto ko kasi kapag may tinanong ako, if hindi ka lang talaga sure, you could think twice. You could
Okay.
think thrice.
So someone more direct sana.
Yes.
Okay, any response to what she said? Na-feel mo bang hindi ka masyadong naging direct or confident sa answer mo?
Due to pressure siguro. Kasi gawa nga siguro ng work ko and para hesitant din talaga sumagot. Kasi nga, ayun.
Pero type mo pa sana siya?
So,
Ba't ang tagal? Ang hesitant nga to. Pero sure ba?
yun nga po, para sinabi nga rin po na kanina is, she was like someone na hindi mo ma-reach. That's it.
Ganun ba? Do you think that's true about you?
Grabe ka naman, ti. For me, feel ko kasi is how I show myself. It's okay kung sino ka. I would accept you for who you are and for what you do. As long as the pressure is try natin to work things out. But then, yun nga, ayoko sa taong indecisive.
So since we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left, I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your options.
As a partner, okay ba sa inyo na having a lot of friends, especially guys? Kasi I know that a lot of people hindi okay with guy friends or girlfriends or, for you ba, paano nyo ba mafe-feel na pagkakatiwalaan ko tong partner na to? Paano nyo mapapakita sa akin na you trust me?
Mostly ba friends mo are guys?
My brothers, I have a lot of brothers. So
Okay.
more likely, friends ko din talaga is guys.
Okay.
Yun.
All right, let's start over here. Oh, okay. Gulat ako doon. Okay, please join us over here before I get to your answers. So ano nangyari? Ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
LDR. Yun. So, mas prefer ko po kasi na yung magkalapit po. Tapos, yung sa height kanina.
Sa height din. Okay, any comments on what he said? Sa LDR na part?
I mean, LDR is hindi talaga may iwasan. Especially seaman ka and I'm flying all over the country. And I would say, hindi naman may iwasan yun. But if you trust me or you trust your partner, it's up to you. But it's your choice. Kasi wala naman ako against doon. If you feel more likely physical touch, it's okay with me. Yeah.
Okay. As a height requirement, pasok ba siya?
Cute siya eh.
Oh.
Cute siya, para siyang teddy bear.
Okay. So, okay naman sana.
Yeah.
Oh, sure ka na dun, ah? Pwede tayo magpabalik ng balon dito. Marami dyan.
Sure na po ako kasi may isang salita naman po ako. So,
Alright, well, thank you so much. Okay, so back to your question.
Yeah, nah. It makes sense because I also have a lot of like female friends, especially because I come from a church background and we have a big like youth friend group. Yeah, as long as you're fine with that as well.
Okay ka naman dun?
How can you say that you're okay with me having a guy friend since my industry is a lot of nationalities and everything? And how would you say you trust me?
I mean, I trust everyone until you break it. So
You good with that?
Yes.
Okay.
It's fine with me because I also have a lot of girl na friends.
Okay.
And and how can I show you is words of affirmation.
So, since we have 2 balloons left, I'll also ask you guys kung may kayong question for our sexy single to help you get to know her better.
about the traveling, because I heard like people that like to travel is kind of red flag.
Why?
Because they don't want to settle down. So yeah, would you want to settle down in the future? No, I mean I don't know. Not with me. I mean, but yeah. Would you?
Okay, another puso on marriage. De joke lang. Okay, go.
Of course, I want to settle and have a family. I want to see my little me, little you.
Where would you settle? Here in the Philippines
It
or
depends
somewhere
on
else?
my partner as well, because I want to talk about it like thoroughly. I want to plan everything because I can't be with someone who's indecisive. I can't be the man who's not like I'm the first one to think of, because in me I give everything. It's not about me right now traveling a lot. Show me that I deserve to be with you.
Okay. Are you good with that, or do you have any follow-up? Okay.
The thing about the traveling, this is my like first time out of the country like since I was 14, like 10 years. Like I'm stepping out of the bubble right now. So yeah, I'm not really down to like even like live here. Like I'm still trying to find my footing. I got here like 2 days ago, so yeah.
So you popped because she was talking about settling? Is that why you got kind of freaked out about that?
Wait, did she say that?
What the heck? Bakit ka ba nag-pop? May jet lag pa daw.
I think it's jet lag.
Pero sure ka na magpa-pop ka? You feel like you're not aligned with where she's at right now?
Oh yeah. That you put it. Yeah, she said it right.
Guys,
Yeah, the alignment.
about traveling or about the settling? So you're not into traveling or you're not into settling? Which one is it?
No, yeah, no. It's about the like kind of the job at the moment. Because I'm also kind of like on my own path, and I don't think if I'm looking for someone, her not being there is, yeah, it's not gonna be okay. Yeah.
So it's mostly the LDR for you, the long distance relationship. Okay, do you have any response to what he said?
He's more likely indecisive. But I get him. You want to explore more. And for me, I do want to explore more. But if you're wanting to a serious relationship with me, I have to support you. You have to support me. So like reciprocate. What makes you happy, do it. As long as
Okay.
you're good with that.
So baka iba lang yung path nyo right now. Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, well, we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay, so what's your question muna for our sexy single?
Kanina yung introduction, I heard you said, like, ayaw mo sa insensitive. Hindi ko naman sasabihin na insensitive ako. I think some of my friends and my exes will say, kasi medyo avoidant din ako eh. Is that okay with you?
I'm gonna be honest. I really don't like avoidant. But if you have, if you want to work with me, or like if you're serious or down to me, you have to change it. I can't communicate with a man who's not ready with this, who's not confident with this. So, if you're not, yeah.
Willing ka ba i-change yun about yourself? Are you working on it?
Yes. Very, very much.
Talaga? Okay, all right. Do you have any final questions for him?
Sure ka talaga sa akin?
Siya na nagtanong eh.
Ano height mo?
I'm 5'6".
5'7" ako pag nag-tiptoe.
Okay. Oh, okay, so kung wala na kayong final questions for each other, ako na magtatanong, ha? Okay. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya? No. Oh, okay, you can go ahead and pop the balloon. Go, pop mo na. Sad. Okay, so why did you pop his balloon?
Nandun kasi sa mata niya yung hesitant na mag-willing siya. Kasi I know someone is willing and hirap sa change. Changing is hard. But I can see in his eyes na nahirapan siya. And I feel hindi ako yung willingness niya na oo agad. Nandun kasi like may pose.
Okay, so yung hesitation ulit.
Yeah.
Tama ba siya doon?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining. I hope you can join again next time. Thank you. Here comes our next sexy single. Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Pusa. I'm 22 years old.
Pusa?
Yeah,
As in
Pusa.
cat?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm a live content creator sa TikTok po.
Oh, okay. What kind of content do you make?
Live streaming.
Oh, okay. Like, ano yung nila-live stream mo?
Entertainment, like comedy, mga ganun.
Ah, okay. Sige na, sample ng joke. Agad-agad. Okay. Anong hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun outside of that?
Mahilig din ako mag-solo date, mga ganun.
Saan ka nagsasolo date? Like, what kind of activities?
Kung saan.
Like, ano yung last mo? Anong last mo?
Like BGC, mga ganun. Then, walking. Ayun lang.
Okay. Alright, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality muna.
Ang pinaka hinahanap ko lang sa isang lalaki yung may sense of humor.
Someone funny din.
Yes, masarap kasi pag masaya kasama eh. And yung
Tinuubo to. Okay, go.
yung din, soft-spoken and gentle. Ay.
So, funny pero soft-spoken and gentle.
Yes.
Okay.
Yun.
Ano pa?
Saka yung...
Oh, okay. Oh.
Ayun.
La.
Ay, walang soft-spoken.
La siya? Puro, hindi ba kayo soft-spoken? Parang soft-spoken naman kayo, guys. Oh, sa ano man, sa physical.
Basta yung mukhang malinis.
Mukhang malinis. Okay.
Mabango. Yan.
Alright. Okay, so may smell test tayo later. Ano naman mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Sa akin yung deal breaker ko siguro yung lalaki na hindi marunong makisama. Paano ba? Paano ko ba explain
Parang
yan?
yung mga nagpa-pop ng balloon, di pa tapos.
Parang yung
ganun.
nagpa-pop, hindi pa tapos wait lang.
Diba? De, joke. Okay lang yun, guys.
Ayun lang din. Tsaka yung deal breaker ko, ayoko din nung nagsismoke din.
So, no to smokers?
Yes.
Okay.
Kung kaya naman.
Okay. Well, mukhang merong mga nag-pop sa ating line-up. Mga ilan lang naman. Ikaw ba?
Parang halos lahat ata sila
Okay, we have a pusuan match. The joke. Okay, so let's start over here. Please join us on stage.
Hi, my name is Hirojin Bautista and I'm 24 years old, working in a BPO as a quality analyst.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
So, nagpapa ako ng balloon kasi chain smoker ako. Sobrang lala ako mag-vape. Sayang, mahilig pa naman ako sa mga pusa.
Okay. So, yung vape ba counted or kahit anong kind of smoke?
Kasi pero lang naman, depende pa rin naman talaga sa kanya kung gusto niya. Hindi mo naman kasi mapipilit yung isang tao. So yung lang naman, yung marunong mag-control kapag nandyan kayo, mga ganun lang.
Kung kaya naman daw pala. Do you want your balloon back or set ka na sa decision mo?
For me, okay lang naman, pero it's up to her kung okay lang ibalik yung balon ko.
Gusto mo ba? Mahilig daw siya sa pusa.
Kung saan po siya masaya.
Ano? So, balik natin.
Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo?
Hala, mag-usap muna kayo. Ano, go? Or no?
Sige, kasi parang lahat sila nakapop na ng balon eh.
O sige, balik na natin.
Parang kunyari meron, pero may laman naman.
Sige. Okay, we'll talk to you again later. Okay, and over here, please join us on stage.
Hi, my name is John Roy Casilaw. I'm 21, an actor at Viva.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi ako madaldal na tao. I'm a serious person, so I think hindi po kami mag-match talaga.
Dahil dun sa sinabi niyang sense of humor.
Yeah.
Pero, pasok ba siya sa sinasabi mo or talagang requirement mo talaga yon?
Requirement ka talaga yung sense of humor.
Okay. So, dahil serious siya, hindi siya pasok. Okay. Pero if not for that type mo, pa sana siya.
Cute naman po siya.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Rafael, 23, video editor. So, nagpapa ako kasi, hindi ako gentle. Hindi, pero yung, hindi, yung,
Okay. Guard, the joke.
Tsaka mostly sa height. Kasi parang anak ko siya kahit wala pang anak.
Parang
Did you
tatay
get
ko
that
din
before?
siya.
Ganun ba? Okay, and hindi kayo okay sa ganun dynamic yung daddy-daddy, ganun. Malay mo, we're not judging
Parang
here.
kompleto na may tatay ka na, may ano ka pa, boy.
So hindi ka para doon.
Depende.
Anything else to add?
Wala na po, yun lang.
I'm Clarence, 25 years old, and working as engineer.
Bakit ka nag-pop?
Because of sense of humor siguro din. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-joke eh.
Kailangan ba nagjo-joke lagi? Ano? Ganun
I
ba
mean,
yun?
kasi pag sinabi kasi minsan, ayun yung most, akala ng tao na kapag sinabi mong sense of
Right.
humor, parang kailangan need ko mag-joke. Pero depende sa vibes. Yung parang alam mo na kahit negative na yung mga nangyayari, kaya niya pa rin maging positive, kaya niya pa rin masayahin ka in different ways.
Pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Sa height din po siguro. Para akong may anak, may asawa.
May anak, may asawa?
Para po akong may anak po kasama, pag ganun. Or kapatid po.
Do you have any response to that? Agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya? Oo. Okay. Alright, so hindi lang tayo match. Okay, so thank you so much.
Jang 25, Seaman. Sorry kung napap ko yun. I didn't offend you. Yung preference mo, nire-respeto ko.
Bakit ano ba yung preference mo na hindi nag-align sa kanya?
Yung baka hindi ko po masabayan yung ano niya, yung legality
vibes.
niya. Kaysa ma-offend siya, pinap ko na lang po.
Okay. Thank you so much. Uy, ano ba? Please join us over here and I'll get to you later.
I'm Dij, 24, Content Strategies. Pinap ko po siya. Same sa kanila ang lahat. Parang may anak po. Like, hindi tayo magka-height.
Walang copying answers. Ano pa?
I think hindi kami magka-vibes. Like sabi niya kanina, yung sa humor. Yeah. Hindi ako funny.
Okay. Any response to that?
Okay po.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Pero
up
type
na
mo
lang.
ba sana siya?
Hindi din.
Oh, bakit naman?
Nakakatakot. Joke lang.
Grabe siya.
Hindi, joke lang. Siguro, yung personality niya, parang medyo tahimik siya. So, baka maingayan siya sa akin.
Oh,
Feeling ko kasi
talaga.
maingay ako eh. Oh.
Ganon. So, hindi talaga kayo match sa vibes
Hindi
niyo?
talaga.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Oh, ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
Hi, I'm Jonas, 24, and still looking for a job. Nagpop ako kasi, well, I find you really pretty, pero hindi lang ako romantically attracted or physically attracted. Pero okay lang naman kasi sa akin yun, most of the time. Gusto ko sana maghintay para kilalanin ka muna. Pusa pa pangalan mo, mahilig din ako sa pusa. Pero hindi ko lang talaga ramdam.
Bakit ano ba preference mo?
Mas maliit sa akin.
Parang gusto niya pa ng mas maliit
Pasok naman siya doon.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Alright. Okay, I guess hindi lang talaga kayo match. Okay, thank you so much.
Efren, 24, and a video editor.
So why did you pop your balloon?
You said you wanted someone that's gentle and soft-spoken. I'm not that. I've been described as bold and like straightforward. I feel like if we're in a relationship, I'd always have to apologize and say sorry, even though I don't mean like what I say.
Why do you usually end up like offending someone by being too direct or something?
Yeah. But if I have friends, they know me and they know I don't mean any of it. Especially in a relationship, a lot of things are quite sensitive. So yeah, I might end up slipping up and saying something that might hurt her.
Any response sa sinabi niya?
Okay din po kasi medyo English. So,
Ay, walang translator.
Mahirap makipag-away pag English.
So dahil doon, naging deal breaker mo yun?
Medyo.
Pero kung hindi, type mo pa sana siya?
Ang ganda niya, the way kung paano siya magsalita. Parang ang kalmado. Parang chill siya kasama, ganun. Ayan.
Okay. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woohoo! There's a chance! Come on, guys. Fingers crossed. All right, you already gave your balloon back. So do you have any questions for each other before we move on? How about from you? Meron kang question?
What are your thoughts about guy who has tattoos?
Walang problema kasi may tattoo din po ako.
Oh, okay. May follow-up ka ba doon?
Saan yung tattoo mo?
Ito.
Isa lang ba tattoo mo?
Isa lang yung tattoo.
Okay, ikaw saan yung tattoo mo?
Full sleeve and I have here at my back. Back shot.
Wala. Ito na naman tayo eh. Okay, so guys can also have that. That's cool. That's very progressive. Okay, so okay na tayo sa tattoos. May follow-up ka pa ba?
Are you nagger, yung mabunganga?
Hindi. Feeling ko hindi. Pero ngayon kasi mas natuto ko na parang kapag mainit yung ulo mo, huwag ka muna mag-react agad. Pwede kang lumabas and mag-chill muna. So,
Cool off muna,
Yeah,
ganun.
cool off muna.
Okay. Okay ka doon?
I think I will pop my balloon.
Okay. And bakit na naman? So why did you pop your balloon again?
Hindi, okay sana ako kasi prefer ko yung, as mentioned earlier na prefer ko yung shorter than me. I also prefer white, maputi, yun. Kaso nga lang dun sa sinabi niya na parang gusto niyang palipasin muna pag may argue. I'm not that type of person kasi gusto pag-usapan agad. If ever man na may masabi ko hindi maganda, dun nga yung mas mapapatatag yung relasyon nyo.
Do you have any response to what he said? Are you willing to adjust or ganun ka talaga mag-deal with conflict?
Sa akin siguro ganun po ako. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi kailangan mag-react ka kaagad. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng bagay kaya mong kontrolin. So, yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kaya kontrolin, siguro pwede mo munang pag-isipan kasi mahirap magdesisyon kapag nasa emotion ka. Mahirap din mag-decide kapag masaya ka kasi mahirap, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So maganda kung magde-decision kayong kalmado. Huminga ka muna ng saglit.
Okay, I guess hindi kayo match sa ganung value, but thank you so much. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi!
Hello po. Hello.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Rama po, 22.
Okay. And anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
Currently working student on a BPO company.
Ooh, okay. Anong course mo?
Accountancy student po, 3rd year.
Ooh, okay. So, ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
On my free time, I always travel po. I camp, tapos...
Mga hiking, ganun?
Yes po, and also nagko-crochet din po ako. Ayun po yung pinagkakaabalahan ko
Okay,
ngayon.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Someone to hike with, ganun?
Yes po, very sponty po kasi ako. So parang gusto ko po adventurous and all that.
Okay, so physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Okay po sana kung parang Superman po, Clark Kent, ganun.
Wow!
Hindi po.
Hindi ka naman demanding, no?
Hindi po. Ano lang po, malawatpad po kasi yung
okay.
Pero realistically, basta basta magsuswak po, wala naman po, parang physical po, yes, nandun po siya
Yeah.
kasi, syempre, ayun po yung mati-trigger nung deeper feelings.
Right.
Pero, if connection-wise, mas ayun po din ako.
Okay, so manifesting lang na Superman, pero pwede rin namang
hindi.
close to that na lang. Okay, ano namang deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Ako po kasi yung type of person na avoidant po. So, if parang pag ganun, naputok na po siya. Ano po? Pag may naramdaman lang po ako na certain situation na parang madedetach po ako, magdedetach po talaga ako.
Oh, may magde-trigger sa'yo na parang, ay, ayoko itong trait niya, so magde-detach ka na lang, ganun?
Opo, pag may certain situation po na, ay, ganun siya, parang, ganun na po ako.
Okay. Alright, well, mukhang may mga nag-pop ng balloon sa ating line-up. So, let's go talk to them kung bakit sila nag-pop ng balloon.
Yes,
Okay, please join us over here. Isa-isa lang, guys. Isa-isa lang.
Hi, my name is Hirujin Bautista and I'm 24, working in a BPO as well as a quality analyst. And
Ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
siguro dun sa may avoidant, kaya hindi kami nag-match nung last person kasi medyo ma-communicate akong tao and then if ever na may argue, avoidant ka, hindi mo i-open up sa akin kung anong problema, siguro doon tayo hindi magkakasundo.
Pero pwede ko pong bang explain yung side ko? Parang
Yeah, ganun ka ba? I mean, yung sinasabi niya, yun ba yung, like, that's what you meant by avoidant or iba?
Sa avoidant wise po kasi, yung situation po na sinasabi ko, yes, magde-detach po ako. Pero if there's any cases na people will approach me, or ba't ka naging tahimik, bakit? I will communicate naman po. And I also understand din na communication is the key. Pero hindi lang po kasi ako sanay na ako po yung unang magsasabi ng emotions. But if you will say to me na parang napansin niya po na tahimik ako or something like that, parang being attentive po siya in a way.
Does that change your mind? Ganun naman daw pala siya.
Hindi rin kasi isa sa personality ko is insensitive ako. So, baka di ko rin maramdaman if ever na tahimik ka na.
Sige po, QA and call.
Okay. Okay, pero if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Okay naman. Pwede na.
Grabe siya, so pwede na. Okay, thank you so much. Mamaya, ano pa masabi mo?
Dij 24 Content Strategies.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro po dahil sa BPO. Tama, BPO?
Yes po.
Don't get me wrong Siyempre po kasi sa BPO, mostly yung iba mga cheater, ganun.
Ganun ba yun?
Mostly, hindi ko po nilalahat, mostly lang. Yeah, that's why I pop.
Paano kung di naman siya kasama dun sa mostly?
So be it po. Hindi.
Okay. Any response sa sinabi niya? Tama ba siya dun?
Actually po, totoo po. May social... Hindi po. I mean, when we say BPO, there's a social norm na talagang parang, third party or something like
I
that.
see.
Since, po siya, usually grave ship po. Tapos, parang kayo-kayo lang din po yung magkakasama sa prod and something like that. So, I understand po, may situation na ganon. Pero, it depends pa rin po sa tao. Hindi po natin pwedeng i-generalize yung mga bagay-bagay.
Does that apply to you? Part ka ba ng culture na yun na sinasabi mo?
Hindi po.
Never.
Matino po akong tao.
Sino sabi? Hindi, joke lang. Does that change your mind? Hindi naman pala siya kasama dun sa mostly na percentage na yun.
Hindi po. No po.
Bakit?
I'm good na po. I'm good po.
Pero aside from that, kung hindi mo nalaman na BPO, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi rin po.
Bakit?
Kasi po, hindi pasok sa appearance po. But I have the standard naman din po kahit po.
Why? What's your preference sa appearance?
She's cute naman. Gusto ko yung chinita, ganon.
Hanap tayo ng chinita dyan. Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Jonas, 24, and still looking for a job. So, nagpapa ako kasi gets na gets ko yung sinasabi niya sa pagka-avoidant. Kasi avoidant din ako. So, paano yung gagana, di ba? Wala na nag-initiate sa atin. Ano nangyari sa atin?
So, agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya about that?
Opo. Actually po, pag avoidant ka po talaga, dapat yung person na makakasama mo is kind of energetic and proactive po.
Dapat balance.
Opo. Kasi pag parehas po kayong avoidant, agree po talaga. Wala pong mangyayari talaga.
But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Okay naman po. Bumawi.
Okay. Sakto lang.
Opo, kasi physical-wise, may dating naman po.
Ay, kinilig
Opo, pero parang medyo tropa vibe na, pre.
Parang inuman tayo mamaya.
Parang ganun po.
So, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So, ngayon magtanong ka ng isang question to help get to know them better.
If sasakay po kayo ng elevator, ano po yung una niyong pinipindot? Yung floor number or yung pagsarado po ng pinto?
Okay, let's start over here.
Hi, I am John Roy, 21, actor at Viva. Depende siguro kung ano matripan kong una. Pero kadalasan naman talaga, close muna bago mo pindutin yung floor na pupuntahan mo, di ba?
Rafael 23 video editor. So pinipindot ko muna yung number kasi nape-pressure ako kasi 'di ba kunwari daming tao. Paano mo na makiklik yung yung number tsaka yung door. Pero pag mag-solo lang, sabay pwede.
Okay. Ganon? Okay, thank you so much.
I'm Clarence, 25, working as engineer. Ang unang pinipindot is close muna. Kasi nga, minsan is ayaw kong may kasabay or nagmamadali ako. Ganun.
Jang 25 seaman. Depende po sa trip, ganun. Kung mauna yung number or yung close, ganun po. Depende po yun.
Okay, so it changes. Okay.
Efren 24, video editor. Yeah, I like the question. It was pretty creative. I don't know why, the reasoning behind it, but I like pressing the number first. If I'm by myself, I'm pressing the close button, but if there's people around, come in. The door closes by itself, so yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, before natin i-reveal kung bakit mo tinanong yan, please choose 2 balloons to pop. And one more. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Actually po, kasi if I'm not mistaken, depende po yung pinili niya. Ayun po.
Number yung pinili ko.
Ay, sorry po.
Balik mo balon niya. Ay, papop ko na rin.
Papap ko na rin siya, hindi siya nakikinig.
Walang active listening. Sorry.
Ay, paano yun? Nag-change yung reason kasi hindi naman pala yun. So,
Apo. Pero either way, hindi din po talaga.
okay, bakit?
Para po siyang rogue type po. Tapos parang
Anong type?
rogue type po. Rogue.
Okay.
Tapos parang get well with other girls. Medyo may pagkaano po kasi ako eh. Parang hindi po siya praning pero parang ganun
Pero
na din.
parang gano'n na nga. Oh, okay. Oh, and your response to that?
And di naman ako bad boy. Yun, yun na yun. De, tsaka parang wala naman akong Inisip niya ata may roster ako or something.
Yun ba?
Apo.
Diba? Wala naman. Wala ka.
Okay. Pero before you go back, can you reveal bakit mo tinanong yung question na yun?
Sa psychology po kasi, if you pick the floor number first, ibig sabihin po, you're not anxious. You're waiting a person to come in and it's okay to you. And if you press the closed door, ibig sabihin, parang you're anxious with people around you and you don't want anyone to come in. Parang ganun po. Ayun po yun.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so bakit siyang isa mo pang pinop?
Ayun po. Depende po yung sagot niya.
Bawal ba?
Po, kasi ibig sabihin po, he's not sure and he's not taking his mind parang seriously po kasi he can choose. Parang ganun po yung perspective ko.
Any response to that?
Ayos lang. Ayos lang po, ma'am.
Mukha namang okay siya sa decision
Kalmado
niya na yun.
lang po siya.
Kalmado lang
Very
naman siya.
nonchalant.
Oo. Pero type mo ba siya?
Okay lang naman kung hindi. Hindi naman po ako nasasaktan.
Ayoko rin naman po maging rude. Yun lang po yung dahilan kung ba't hindi ako nakapagsalita agad.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya if hindi yun yung naging niya, answer?
Hindi din
O bakit?
Siguro po, one of my standards is mas matangkad po sana sa akin.
Okay.
Opo.
Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Wala po, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, I heard a pop balloon over here, so please join us on stage. What happened? Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Ayoko po sa praning.
Hindi ka naman praning, di ba? Pero parang gano'n na nga kasi.
Ano po, ino-overthink ko lang po siya. Pero hindi po ako para mang-away na, uy, ba't magkasama kayo na ganito? Hindi naman po. Pero ino-overthink ko po siya. Hindi po ako praning, pero parang, po.
Slight lang. Okay, does that change your mind at all?
No po. Siyempre, nasa iba po kasi industry na kung nasan ako ngayon. So, I think if ganyan po yung mindset ng future partner ko, hindi po talaga kami magmamatch.
Baka mag-cause ng problems in the future. Okay. Pero if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Opo.
Oh, set ka na doon?
Yes po.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, so right now, we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, since dalawa na lang sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to help them decide if you're a good match for them. Okay, so let's start over here.
What do you mean avoid that?
For example, pag friend po, may mga jokes po na natitake ko. Opo, okay po yun. Pero may mga instances na pag you cross the line, there is certain situation na I should detach na. I would go even if the person is parang meaningful for me. Hindi po worth it na mawala po kasi yung sarili ko ulit. Ayun
Okay.
po.
What would you do? Would you like block them or hindi mo na sila kakausapin? Like,
Ano po, makakausapin naman po, opo. Hindi po yung totally detached talaga.
Okay.
Pero I distance myself.
I see.
Yes po.
Okay. Any follow-up?
Siguro magpapop ako ng balloon this time.
Ano nangyari? Why did you pop your balloon?
Bago po ako mag-detach sa tao, sinasabi ko muna lahat without sugarcoating things or ano. So if ever na nasaktan ka doon sa sinasabi ko, it's your choice kung magde-detach ka or hindi. So, ayun, insensitive parang gano'n.
So, feeling mo, baka matrigger mo siya sa something na masabi mo. Ganon? Okay, do you have any response to that?
Pero kung ayun po yung choice niya, okay lang naman po. Pero since ayun na po kasi ako, hindi ko na po para baguhin din yung sarili ko ulit just to match with the person.
Right.
Ayoko na pong mapunta uli dun eh.
Okay. Alright, do you still have any response? Or type mo ba sana siya kung hindi dahil dun sa avoidant?
Hindi po.
Bakit naman?
Parang meron pong specific preference for myself po.
Which is?
Chinita. And mas kasing height ko po.
Okay na ba?
Biglang gano'n yung mata. Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. I guess hindi lang talaga kayo match. Okay, we have one balloon left. Please join us over here. Woohoo! Okay, so what is your question for our sexy single?
Imagine we have kids and we're at home and someone comes in with a gun. What's the first thing you're gonna do?
Mother instinct protect the kids. No matter what, kahit asawa ko pa yan, kahit sino pa yan, yung mga anak na po talaga. Kasi ano po naniniwala po ako na if you have the family, kahit husband po, ang first na tinitingnan mo dun is yung mga anak mo. Kasi po, sila po yung naapektuhan dun eh.
Do you have any final questions for him before I proceed?
Ibabalik ko na lang po yung tanong nyo sa akin kung kayo po yung sasagot nun.
I'm diving on the guy and making sure that you run away with the kids. And yeah, even if I lose my life, like, I want to make sure our kids is fine. And yeah.
Oh.
Okay, parang bagay. The joke. Okay. Okay, so let's find out if I'm right about that. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
To be honest, I didn't really understand half the things she was saying earlier. Like, I was
Oh, do you want me to speak in English?
Oh, pwede naman. Oh! Okay, what part do you want her to clarify before you answer my question?
the intramado or something like that. Intramado?
Intramado? Parang hindi naman word yata. Hindi, ano ba yan? Do you wanna... Praning? Yun ba? Ano?
What is praning?
Like paranoid?
Was she saying you're paranoid or?
Just a little bit, you said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's
Oh, okay. So it's because of that. Are you attracted to her?
Yeah, sure.
All right. But you're set on that decision already.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any response to anything he said?
Decision naman niya po yun eh.
Okay.
Hindi po kasi ako yung taong yung nag-i-explain po ng sarili ko. Opo, it is what it is po.
All right. Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining.
Thank
Hope
you
you can join
po.
again next time.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you po.
Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi!
Hi!
Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
Okay. Hi everyone. So my name is Adriana and I'm 22.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm in a BPO industry.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Now, because I love exploring things. So right now I'm trying new habits. I'm into volleyball and billiards too.
Okay, so medyo sporty and ano.
Yeah.
Well, half of that. Okay, ano namang hanap sa isang ideal partner?
Personality, caring and funny.
Caring and funny.
And physical, taller than me.
Okay. All right. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo?
Rude lang. Ayoko lang talaga ng rude. Like on other people. No.
Okay. All right. Well, right now, wala pang nagpa-pop. Ito kasi nakakatakot eh. Wala pang nagpa-pop sa ating line up. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Just based on what you're seeing right now.
Ala, sorry po. Wala po sanang mag-aabang sa labas. Jerry's. Ala, sorry.
Wala pa namang ganong nangyari, yata. Okay, and one more? Okay. All right, so please join us over here.
Jang 25, Seaman pa.
Okay, so bakit siyang pinili mo i-pop?
Preference lang when it comes to appearance. As
Okay.
I've mentioned, I wanted someone taller than me.
Okay. Pero aside from that, wala namang anything else in particular?
Wala naman. Yun lang.
Okay, do you have any response to that? Ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Yes, ma'am.
Set ka na doon?
Yes po.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much.
Efren 24, video editor.
So, why did you pop his balloon?
Okay, so nothing personal. Physical appearance lang din po.
Okay, anything specific?
I guess I wanted someone na like feet, ganun. Sorry.
Okay, any response to that?
My what?
Like the body.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, response?
Hindi, okay. Ano?
Yeah, that sucks because I just lost like 30 kgs. So, but I'm like, obviously I'm not at my goal weight. So, but yeah, I totally understand.
Thank you.
But do you like her though? Like, are you attracted to her?
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you set on that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
Are you like a person na like go with the flow in life, or are you having like a plan na on your future?
My name is Hirojin Bautista. My age is 24 and currently working in BPO as a quality analyst. I also do have plans, but I think more about the present than the future.
Hi, I'm John Roy, 21, Viva actor. For now, ginagawa ko is go with the flow talaga. Doon ako nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang idea para sa plano ko sa future, ganun.
I'm Rafael, 23, video editor. So ano lang, go with the flow lang. So kung kahit anong mangyari sa akin, okay lang.
I'm Clarence, 25 years old, working as engineer. Nakaplan na kasi yung ref ko for now.
Like everything's planned out?
Yes, kung ano yung gusto kong i-take, kung ano.
I'm DH, Content Strategist 24. Go with the flow lang.
Yun lang talaga sagot. Walang, because?
Because kung ano yung, if ever man mangyari, so be it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Jonas, 24, and still looking for a job. Right now, long-term goal ko is to get a job with a good salary. Sana. Let's say sa everyday life, like hanging out with friends. Yun yung mga go with the flow mostly.
Okay, so based on those answers, yung reaction mo. Based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons.
Okay.
Top.
Oh my God, it's so hard.
Sorry. Ano yun? Sabi na? Bakit naman? One more.
One more? Oh my God. Ba't isa lang?
Hindi, walang discount dito.
Okay, sorry.
Okay? Bakit siya yung pinili mong i-pop?
Based on his answer, parang kulang. Like, meron lang specific answer that I'm looking for.
Bakit kanina sabi na?
Kasi alam ko yung sagot ko kanina, hindi niya magugustuhan.
O kasalanan mo yan.
So, hindi naman sa hindi mo gusto, nakulangan ka lang. O gusto mo mag-explain pa?
Hindi, siya rin naman eh. Ganun din yung sagot niya. Tsaka go with the flow lang, di ba? So parang, di nakaplano yung sagot ko. So, yun lang nasabi ko.
So literal.
So literally, kahit sa ganon. Okay, hindi okay sa'yo yun.
Yeah. Parang
Bakit naman?
When I ask a question, parang you have to answer it directly and kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-asagot. Yung parang not just go with the flow with the answer. I'm asking about life.
Sige.
But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, I like the fit. Medyo mag-vibes kami.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
But no, dahil doon.
Yeah, 50-50. Like, yung vibes na nagiget ko from him, it's okay. Like, feeling ko naman magpa-vibes kami, but the answer lang. Yan lang.
Okay. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang piniling i-pop?
So, parang for me lang, no offense, sorry. For someone who's 24 and still don't have a job, like, I don't mind wala kang job and you're still looking for it. Pero kasi parang you're too old enough not to have a job, lalo in this economy, di ba? So, yun lang.
Ano ba nangyari? If you don't mind us asking.
Well, na-delay, pero kaka-graduate ko lang din.
Oh,
So, ngayon pa lang ako naghahanap.
Okay, does that change your mind?
No.
Okay.
Because I wanted to have someone, because I'm working. So, parang I wanted to, if I'm gonna date someone, I wanted to have someone na working too. Para lang balance.
Okay. But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
No. Sorry.
Oh, bakit naman?
Like, para kasi siyang shy type, ganyan. And I'm more of...
Tama naman siya doon.
True. Pero sabihin ko lang sayang kasi nagva-volleyball at billiards din ako.
Wala sayang. Halo ko.
Mag-hangout na lang kayo.
Okay,
And let's see
can
what
just be
happens.
friends.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isa pang question to help get to know them better.
What's your red flag in a relationship?
When I'm into a relationship, yung buong oras ko or sa kanya lang umikot yung mundo ko. That's before, but now I think na-work on ko naman na yun.
I do silent treatment once na I feel like hindi ako nagustuhan sa ginawa mo. Ayan.
My biggest red flag is for being avoidant in an expressive way. Before ako mag-detach sa isang tao, sinasabi ko muna honestly, without sugarcoating things. So, ayun.
Bakit ka mag-detach?
Yes.
For me kasi, I don't have red flags eh. Puro green.
Wow!
Parang yun yung red flag
Ayun
niya.
yung red flag.
No?
But when I like someone, I'm willing to do everything for you.
okay.
Sige. Thank you so much. Okay. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to
Ayun
pop.
talagang ipop na lang.
Oo.
Hirap. Oh my God, 2?
2.
Oh my God. Okay, sorry.
And one more?
And sorry.
Okay. So bakit siyang isa mong napili?
Based on his answer too. Kasi sabi niya, di ba, like, umiikot yung mundo mo doon sa relationship lang. Ayoko kasi ng ganun. I wanted if na yung parang pag kahit nasa relationship kayo, may sarili kayong buhay. Yung ganun lang.
Okay, but I think he said na he's working on it or na-work on mo na ba yun?
I think naman, kasi before pa yun, like 3 years ago, that's the time na nag-study pa ako, and now I'm currently working and I'm super busy right now. So I think hindi na ako ganun. Yung parang papaikutin ko yung mundo ko sa isang tao. Sayang kasi nakalista na eh. Na-checkan ko na lahat kanina eh. I prefer shorter than me, and then medyo maputi.
Medyo lang.
Ayun. I also love playing billiards, so feeling ko yun yung magiging bonding natin. Pero yun, sayang.
Oh, okay. We can still be friends po.
Ayaw mo na talaga. Bigyan siya ng chance.
Can we get his balloon back?
Ay, talaga? Talaga? Okay. Can we have a balloon back?
Ayusin kasi yung sagot.
They're for LQ. Okay. So, bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Based on his answers too, kasi hindi ako avoidant. Like, ayoko nang iwas na lang or ganun. Pero okay yung sagot niya when it comes to not sugarcoating things kasi ganun din naman ako. Pero yun lang, ayoko lang nung avoidant. Okay lang mag-away tayo, basta magkatabi tayo. Parang ganun.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And your response to that?
Wala, ganun okay. I know myself though. So, hindi ko kailangan mag-adjust to clarify things. So, if meron nung di nagustuhan, sasabihin ko, if you don't like it, that's your choice. Ganun.
Okay. Well, if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
Do ba yan? Okay, hindi. Pero set ka na rin kasi yun na din talaga yung values mo eh. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. Okay, so since there are 3, please ask another question.
Ang hirap.
Or sila naman na magtanong ng questions sa'yo.
Oh, pwede.
Okay, so I'll go over here.
Tagasang ka.
Okay, bakit? Yung commute ba? Yung grab ba? Ano ba? Gusto mo sagutin mo muna?
At Mandaluyong po.
Malayo, papap ko na.
Okay. Dahil
taga saan ka?
Taga saan ka ba?
Taga Marikina ako eh.
Ate, malapit lang dun yung work ko.
Hindi, mas prefer ko kasi
Ayaw pinili.
sobrang, let me explain kasi as I mentioned, sobrang busy kong tao. Most of the time, ang nagiging free time ko na lang is Sunday. Parang mas magiging problema siya kung medyo malayo pa yung magiging partner ko. Gusto ko yung parang halos kapitbahay lang or isang barangay lang. Para
Okay, doon tayo mag-show next.
Malapit doon na lang para makahanap tayo para sa'yo. Oh, any defense to that? Or okay ka na?
For me kasi, if you really wanted to make time for someone, kahit gaano kalayo yan, you'll do it.
Mag-effort talaga. Oh, sino yun? Nakarelate.
May nakarelate.
Okay, I guess hindi lang talaga match in that way, but thank you so much.
Parang kilala ko yan eh.
Ano?
Siya.
Talaga?
Anong Nemo?
Adriana.
Hindi ko alam.
Familiar? Bakit? Ano yung...
Tumira din po kasi ako sa Mandaluyong. Then, ayaw ko lang. Pero ang tanong ko sa'yo is, ano red flag mo? Yun lang.
Ako, I do silent treatment too. As in, pag galit ako, wala ko dyan. Mga bukas na kita kakausapin, ganun.
So, pareho kayo. Is that a problem? Free. Okay, I guess it is. Okay, so bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Siyempre, tahimik na nga ako pag galit ako, tahimik din siya. Walang mangyayari sa amin, di ba?
Ito, quiet place pala to. Ikaw, agree ka doon?
Yes, kaso kasi I wanted to cool things down kapag nag-aaway or may argument before we even talk. Kaya mas okay sa akin yung nagsisilent treatment kami to both. And then, pag ready na, and then let's talk about it. Pero let's make sure na nag-cool down yung emotions. That's why it's silent treatment for me.
Okay.
Anong love language mo?
One is physical touch and second is quality time.
From around Manda ka, right? Saan ka
Yes.
sa Manda?
Bakit ay parang nahingi na yung address ko?
Medyo.
Gusto niyo pa ba ng
Nasa
address
public
ko?
pa eh, no?
Like, taga Mandaluyong din ako eh.
Aware.
Barangka.
Oh, same. Drive?
Yeah.
Okay, same.
Sabay na sila mamaya. Wait lang, dito ka nga. Oh, wala nang ano ah. Wala nang final question ha. Tatanungin ko na lang kayo. Okay. So, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Wait, tag-billiards ka?
Yeah.
O tara, mamaya.
Okay! Ang mapusoy friends! Okay, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Kiss! Joke. Kiss agad. Congrats! Oh my gosh, finally. Okay, before we call on our next sexy single, we actually have a wild card from the audience. Give it up for her son. Woohoo! Thanks for joining us. Akala niya manonood lang siya today, pero maghahanap na rin siya ng love life. Priorities, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's welcome our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello! Oh, wow, I love your dress. Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Mercy po, 19 years old.
Okay, and Mercy, anong job mo? Or
Ano,
what do you do for a
student po. Kaka-graduate lang po ng senior high.
Oh, okay. So you just graduated. Okay. Also, outside of school, ano mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Baking po. Badminton, playing badminton.
Okay.
Watching K-drama.
Okay, may favorite kang K-drama?
True Beauty po.
True Beauty, okay. All right. So ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
TWH. Tall, white, handsome.
Oh, okay. Bago yon. So, tall, white, and handsome. Okay, let's see kung meron dito sa ating lineup. O, sa ano naman? Personality.
Personality.
Yes.
Mabait, soft-spoken, saktong introvert. Pwedeng introvert. Ambivert po.
Okay.
Yan.
Pwede naman. Any of those two.
Opo.
Okay. Deal breakers naman. Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
Toxic, manipulative.
Okay.
Lahat na po ng masasamang ugali.
Okay. Rolled into one person. Ganun. Okay. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay. And one more. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, let's start over here.
Hero Jean Bautista, 24, working in a BPO company as a quality analyst.
All right. So, bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Medyo mukhang mature po siya for me.
Oh.
Parang mga 27, ganun. Tito-tito na eh.
Tito na ba? Grabe siya. Oh, any response to that? Narinig mo na ba yung dati na tinawag kang tito?
Kuya pa lang, pero tito.
Oh, congrats, graduate ka na ngayon sa tito. Oh, yun yung yun yung tingin mo sa kanya. Okay. Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Okay naman, maganda siya. Actually, kaso nga lang, I prefer na yung babae na hindi ganon kakapal mag-makeup kasi mas gusto ko na yung raw lang, mas lumalabas yung kagandahan ng babae pag ganon.
Do you have any response to that?
Po. Okay lang.
Okay. Narinig mo na ba yung dati?
First time ko lang po marinig yung mga taong ayaw ng malakpal yung makeup. May narinig ko po siya, social media lang. First time ko marinig yan.
Yeah, just my preference. Pero I think mas maganda kapag light lang yung makeup mo.
Thank you po.
Okay, well, thank you for that. Okay, you can go back over there.
Jang 25 Seaman.
So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Ano po, sa height po. Kapag po tinanggal ko yung heels ko, magkasing height na po kami.
Talaga ba? Sige nga, hindi, joke. Oh, okay, that's really tall. Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wala lang po. Okay lang.
If not for the height, type mo ba sana siya? Hindi rin, bakit?
Sa mukha po.
Oh, bakit? Ano ba meron sa mukha niya?
Moreno. Di ba
ayaw
po,
mo na
sabi
moreno.
ko po sa inyo,
Okay.
yung ano.
Kailangan white. Okay, any response to that?
White din naman siya eh. Mas mabuti pa kasi sa akin. Tapos pinap mo din.
So, wala rin, no? Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Mas type ko yung number 1 ganun.
Namili, oh.
To be honest lang tayo. Siya talaga. Kaso nga lang yung height nga. Hindi ko naman kasalanan maging malit. Yeah. Pero thank you. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka ng isang question to help get to know them better.
Ano po yung mga pangarap niyo sa buhay and ano na yung narating niyo?
John Roy, 21, Viva actor. Pangarap ko lang sa buhay is magising araw-araw. Oo, yun lang.
At anong na-achieve mo na ngayon?
Gumigising naman ako araw-araw.
Okay, thank you so much.
Rafael, 23, video editor. So, yun din. Kagaya na sa kanya.
Bawal mag-copy.
Pero dagdagan ko lang, kumain araw-araw.
Ayusin nyo nga yung mga sagutin nyo. Yun lang talaga goal mo sa life?
Hindi short-term goals. May long-term pa. Yung long-term kasi masyado pang mahaba kaya di ko pa kang explain.
Sige, okay na lang.
I'm Clarence, 25, and working as engineer. Dream ko, nakuha ko na kasi siya as of now. So, hindi niya achievement ko. Yun being an engineer.
Hi, I'm Jonas, 24, still looking for a job. Pangarap ko lang, maging masaya, maging kontento, kumain at maggising.
Sige. Okay, thank you so much.
Efren, 24, video editor. My dream is to be an Oscar-winning director. The things I've accomplished are I've worked for multiple big companies for overseas, and I want to keep doing that.
Hi, my name is Arson. Pangarap ko sa buhay, makita ka ng masaya.
Sige, let's leave it at that. May thumbs up eh. Sino nagturo sa inyo? Okay, sige. Ipapop mo na lahat ng balloons. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, one more. Oy! Oy! Ay, wala na to. Pinamigay. Oh, bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Type ko naman po sana siya kasi maputi siya tas matangkad. Kaso nga lang po, di po siya physically attractive para sa akin.
Oh.
Pero na-check na po yung dalawang list.
Tall, white, okay na. Yung handsome?
Medyo. Ano?
Hindi.
Hindi. Pogi ka naman. Hindi ka lang, di lang yung, standard ko.
Okay. Ano ba yung standard mo? Kamukha nino? Yung mga sa K-drama ba? Ano ba?
Kamukha ni Chowon Woo.
Okay. Ano yun? Actor ba yun sa... Okay. So, ganun yung mga tipong type mo. Medyo like Korean, chinito, ganun. Okay. Any response to that?
Meron akong specific standard.
Anong standards mo?
Like, singkit, kasing height ko, ganun. Okay. So, sabi niya is magka-height lang sila. So, ganun.
So, bakit siyang isang mo pang piniling ipop?
Kung kanina, meron akong tito. Ito, pangalawang tito.
Tito din? Ba't naman?
Sa Sa mukha po.
Ayaw mo yung pick-up line niya?
Okay lang naman.
Oh.
Kaso nga lang, tito-tito na eh.
Tito yung vibe niya.
Tito ba yung
Okay. Any response to that? Natawag ka na bang tito dati?
Tawag na ako.
Talaga? Okay. So, common na pala yun para sa'yo. Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
Okay, kasi naman hinurt mo na siya eh. Kaya yung sagot niya.
Sorry.
Cute naman.
Okay. So, set ka na ba talaga doon? Parang yung audience gusto ng masusunod yung audience sa love life niya. Sure ka na doon? You don't wanna give him a chance anymore?
Apo.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Tito.
Thank you po.
Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. Ask another question.
If you would ask me on a date, saan yun?
Sa park na lang siguro.
Anong gagawin niyo doon?
Tatambay.
Magkakafe lang kami, tas magmamatcha.
Kape muna, tapos matcha. Okay. Sa cafe. Okay.
Magkakafe lang din. Tapos, doon tayo mag-uusap ng maayos kung sakali.
We're hopping in my car. We'll drive 40 minutes to my favorite beach, and then just chill at the beach, hang out, have some food, and have a good time. Like if it was in New Zealand.
If it's here, where would you take her?
You take me. I haven't been around.
Ikaw pala tour guide niya. Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay. And one more. Okay. So bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Yung sasagot niya po kanina, di ko po siya napili kanina. Yung sagot niya po na, kung ano yung pangarap mo sa buhay, gumising.
Okay.
Tapos nagising. Parang, It's
Ano na next?
too straightforward na tanong. Hindi siya yung hinahanap ko na tanong, nasagot.
Ba't naman kasi yun yung sinabi mo?
Wala na po ako maisip. Yung dami ng tanong na natatanong sa akin. Nakaka-stress.
Ba't ka sumali? Nasa-stress ka pala sa tinatanong ka. Oh.
Ayun, okay naman siya. I think for friend, mas magmamatch kami sa ganun.
Ba't naman hindi mo siya type?
Mas preferred ko po kasi talaga yung maputi. Like, yung gusto ng iba. Maputi, chinita, then yung soft, tingin mo na gentle yung pagkababae niya.
Okay. You have any response to what he said?
Gets ko naman.
Gets mo naman? Kasi ganun din yung mga type mo.
Hindi po. Kasi ano po ako makalog po ako. Hindi po ako
okay.
soft na sinasabi niya. Hindi rin po ako chinita. Hindi ako
Okay.
maputi. Hindi rin short-haired. Ayan.
Okay.
Kaya hindi po talaga.
Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang po.
Okay. Dahil hindi siya sobrang swak dun sa TWH mo na requirement. Okay. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang napili?
Ano po, yung pierce po sa ngipin and yung... Ay,
Ano yan?
sorry.
Good
ba yun?
gems yan.
Ayan. Tapos
Tooth gem.
yung sa piercing niya po sa tenga. Ayaw po kasi ni mama nung about sa akin na mag-piercing po ako ng any sa katawan ko. Sa kanya po kasi may piercing. So, if papakilala ko po sa kanya, sigurado
Ganun
ko
din.
hindi po magugustuhan nila mama.
Okay. Pero sa'yo, personally, okay lang sa'yo?
Okay lang naman po sa akin. Gusto
Kaya
ko
lang,
nga.
nagmamatter sa'yo kasi yung opinion ng mom mo. Okay. Any response to that?
Ayaw din ng mama ko yung piercing, tsaka ano. Depende lang ako.
So, you have something in common. So, ayaw din niya.
Sana huwag makita ng magulang ko.
Okay, so, uy. Sino yun? Okay. Ikaw yung nagula. Okay, please join us over here. Bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Ayun din, may piercings din ako eh. Bala ko rin dagdagan, tsaka tattoo. Hindi rin naman ako TWH. Ano lang, medium, brown, okay lang.
Sige. Any response dun sa mga sinabi niya? Wala?
Pero type ko po sana siya.
Ay, type
kasi
mo siya?
Tall, white, handsome.
Oh, tall, white. Hindi naman pala
actually
medium
po,
brown.
Dalawa po silang pinagpipilian ko dyan kanina.
Oh! Does that change your mind?
I'm sorry, no parent.
Bakit?
Dun, sa piercings. Sa college.
Okay ka ba sa piercings niya?
Okay naman pa sa piercing.
Oo ba?
sorry.
Talagang dadagdagan mo para lang mag-no siya sa'yo.
Hindi, gusto ko talaga dagdagan. Dati pa naman.
Okay, so it seems like we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woohoo! Okay, do you guys have any final questions for each other?
I'm someone that's never been in a relationship. I was just wondering, when was your last relationship and why did it end?
Actually, NBSB din ako. No boyfriend
NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. So you're no girlfriend since birth. Okay. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Huwag na akong tatanong, no? Baka ano pa to eh. Okay. Ikaw, may final question ka pa. Huwag na. Ako na magtatanong. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Ako, sure.
We have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand, holding it. Oh, okay. And go off into your happily ever after. Congrats! Oh my God. Ay, kiss daw, kiss. Joke. Uy, first nga sila, kiss agad. And that has been our show. Thank you so much to the Q Studios and their wonderful team for having us over in this awesome space. Make sure to follow all of their socials and make sure to scan the QR code flashing on your screen right now to join the community and claim a free photo shoot from them. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusuan or